Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4x squared minus number 5. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2x. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we don't have number 8, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one that is about u. S the s that is about this one. So the integration of this one that is about tan u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.